Why does video marketing work? It's simple, because it grabs your attention. Video is most definitely cheaper than radio and TV advertising. Did you also know that over 50% of internet users watch YouTube videos every day? With video, you can reach a wider audience. It takes less time to produce some videos and has more options to showcase your product than conventional advertising. Also, people can get insight into your business faster. Your video can be informative and concise. It can be entertaining. Also, you can upload it anywhere on the net. Best of all, Google owns YouTube, so you'll get found easier because Google favors video over other forms of promotion. Great! Now you know what to expect from having your very own professional video. You can forget the high cost of conventional advertising and go with video. Reach more potential clients and make your business stand out. So, grab people's attention, save yourself some money, and brand your business in a big way. Please just click the link below in the video description to find out more. And thanks for watching.